What's up, Epic Collectors? Today we're going to be unboxing Disney Pixar Hello Wall-E. And we already had a sneak peek on another video. And today we're going to unbox it
Wall-E
and review it.
And when you press this, it makes sound.
Yeah. That's one of the features. Okay.
Looks so cool.
Let's remove it from
The box.
box.
The box.
Where is our measuring tape? Let's measure how big this is.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
No.
Oh, never mind.
Hola.
Okay, so
Wall-E.
before we remove it, let's scrutinize or let's take a look at the box. So this is the back of the box, and which shows, oh, it's actually in Spanish. Apparently. And it says
hello.
Hola.
Hello. Hola. It's funny.
And it's got 20 plus lights and sounds function. Alright, this is from Pixar Disney, from the movie Wall-E. And it says something here. What is it? Try me.
Try
so
me.
We already showed you that it talks and gives out light. And then it's got a remote control. This thing, remote control. And some, design like in the kitchen. Remember that scene? There's a fish in there.
Why was there a fish in there?
Yeah, in the movie. I'm gonna watch it later.
Yep.
You haven't watched it yet. Alright, so let's move on to unboxing, removing it from the box.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
If you say it Wall-E, and if you say it faster, Wall-E. It's like that. Sounds like W-A-L-L-Y.
Wally.
Wall-E.
Where's Wally?
Where's Wall-E?
Okay. More tape.
More tape.
More tape.
Why do we...
Yeah. Come on. Oh, he's getting bored because we can't
Open him.
open him. Oh, okay.
He's getting bored.
Yeah, I guess we
he's
just
getting-
have to destroy the box.
He's getting bored like... He's getting bored like...
Let's turn this. Yeah. Turn.
How do you
Turn.
Tan. Hey.
Okay, one more here. Yeah. And he is
Yeah. Free.
out. Oh, need to cut this.
Wow.
And he is
Free. Yeah.
And
He looks funny. He,
Ta-da.
Wall-E said, ta-da,
Ta-da!
ta-da, ta-da.
It's like the Windows error.
He said his own name. Wall-E.
Okay, what can you say about Wall-E? Is he cute?
Yeah, he's really cute.
He's got dents. It's like in the movie.
He's got dents because he always
cut
bumps.
the...
He's got
I need to
dents
cut,
because
just remove.
he's got dents because he's always bumping into things.
Yeah. Okay, we are going to
Put
Put
batteries in
batteries.
the remote control.
Wall-E.
Wall-E.
What's the meaning of Wall-E actually? Oh, we need triple A's. We need AAA batteries. Okay, so we got our batteries.
1, 2, 3. Done.
Put it back.
And screw it back in.
Mean.
Screw the screw back in. Screw the screw. Drive
Now
the
let's
screw
see.
in.
Oh,
Oh, it doesn't work.
maybe we need to remove something from the back. Okay, this is the demo mode. This is the power on mode, where you can
Control him. Oh, it doesn't work.
doesn't work.
How does it work?
It doesn't turn on.
Yeah.
Well, that's disappointing. Maybe we missed something. Can you read the manual? Does it say anything? We need to... As far as I'm concerned, it should work right off the bat.
You should do this. Don't do this. You do have to do like this.
Okay.
But what? Why doesn't it work?
Yeah. As far as I know, this is the sensor. So you should point it to his head.
But it doesn't work.
Okay, guys. So that's something unexpected. We have a non-working Wall-E toy. No. He talks.
Wally.
Okay. Now let's
Work.
find out what we did wrong. Or did we miss anything? No, in the manual it says you have to turn it on.
But there's no switch for the controller.
Yeah, the batteries are correctly installed as far as I'm concerned.
What?
What does it say? Can you read the instruction?
Forward. B. A forward. B reverse and turn. C infrared transmitter.
Infrared.
Infrared.
Okay, so doesn't work, guys. Maybe the battery is not full.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we are so sorry for this. We did not expect that it will not work.
And it's not moving when you press the buttons.
This is the battery compartment. Maybe we need to put new batteries.
Yeah. Like these ones.
But they look new. I mean, they still look powerful.
They look new, but they're not working.
But let's try changing that.
I knew it. You have to put 4.
Okay, give me 4.
Here. 1. 2. 3. 4.
Wrong cover.
Yeah.
What about the small one? Okay, now try it. Still not working. Disappointing. Well, guys, what can we say? It's a non-working toy. It does talk though. I'm pretty sure when it walks, it, you know, wobbles his head. Eva. Oh. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Wally.
Oh. Ta-da! Eva! Wally! Yippee!
Okay, that's all we can show you right now. It's a bit disappointing, sorry, but this has to be returned to Amazon. Another bad product, unfortunately. Anyway, thanks for joining us and being with us. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Hasta la vista.
Baby. Okay guys, so we finally found the problem. It was a bad battery.
Yep.
Battery. We replaced the battery for the remote, and now it's working, and Aiden's gonna show you that it works. So it moves forward and it moves backward. It's actually not a
Problem.
whatchamacallit, what is it?
Tracks.
Tracks.
There's only
It's
There's-
only wheels. There's
yeah.
only 2 wheels in here and guiding wheels here, which turn when you back up.
I'm happy that it's working.
Fine. Could have been nice if it's really a track.
Well, I'm really happy that it's working.
Boy! So let's see. Can you forward? Forward. So when it goes, just go. Continue forward. So when it goes forward, it moves his hands and head. And gives them sounds. Different sounds while it's walking. So cute.
Yeah, it's so cool. Boink. Boink.
Oh, stop.
Why doesn't it turn? Guys, why doesn't it turn?
Because it's not a real left and right turn, it's just a guiding wheel. Anyway, it's cool and it's a really good, you know, display. If you're not playing with it, you can just display it, you know, and play the voices. What do you think, guys? We paid $65 for this. Actually, is it worth it? think it's worth it. For the details alone and the size of it, it's like, let's compare it with other size figures. Epic. Ooh, let's play it with Bumblebee later. Wall-E and Bumblebee. Yeah. Let's see.
Wall-E and Bumblebee?
Wall-E and Bumblebee.
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 They rhyme because they
This
have
is Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Let's see if there's battle E on Bumblebee.
Bumblebee here.
Wah!
So Bumblebee has got a new
How's it
friend.
going?
Bumblebee and
How's
Wall-E.
it going?
They're both yellow. They're both robots that can talk.
But Wall-E kind of talks gibberish.
Yeah.
Hey, let's bust them
Oh.
Ah! Bumblebee automatically dances.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool.
We don't want Bumblebee to hit Wall-E on the head.
Yeah. But Wall-E apparently just looks on one side. Does he look? Does he turn? Yeah. Good. Woo, super cool, guys. We're gonna have fun playing with this, especially Aiden. And both with Bumblebee and Wall-E.
How's it going?
Oh, whenever he hears his name, Bumblebee,
How's it going?
he says, also, how's it going? Wall-E, Bumblebee,
How's it going?
Wall-E. Anyway, guys, again, thank you for joining us. And please like and subscribe.
Hasta la vista.
Baby.